Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Disney Travel Day. We are on our way. We just picked up Lucia from daycare. We did a half day today with her. I had some oh no, you hear her in the back. She's all excited. I had some work I had to catch up with for my job, so I was working from home this morning, and we did not want the toddler there for that. So we just picked her up. So our flight's at 3:45. So we're on our way now. It's a crazy, like a snowy day, but it's not sticking, I don't think. So hopefully we'll be good there, and hopefully there's no flight delays. So anyway, let's go. Alright, I did not think that we were gonna make it. Jose, like, you know, just like basically left us at the curb or whatever, and he like strapped up the luggages for me, and so it is a little tight. It's hard to do, so I'm hoping I can do it. He had me tested, and I was able to do it by myself successfully. So on the way back, I should be able to have no problem. But yeah, so let's see. It's fine. Once we checked the luggage, then it was fine. Now I just have to deal with the stroller. It's always mass chaos with the stroller because you got to take all the bags when you're going through TSA. And there was some kind of a problem this time. Not with us. I don't know if my stuff got stuck or somebody else's, but we waited forever for our stuff to come through. Finally it came through. So I'm hoping that nothing, if it was our stuff that got stuck, hopefully we have everything. I was trying to take like a mental note. We do have a lot of stuff. You need a lot of stuff for Disney, unfortunately, especially with a toddler. But yeah, so it's 2:40 about. Our flight leaves at 3:45, so I think we're going to start boarding sometime after 3, so I'm just having airport beer, and Lucia here is playing with those little mess-free markers and ice from her cup. Alright, we made it. I didn't think we were going to make it, but we did. So, we're in Orlando. It's 8:15. Oh my god, it took us like an hour probably to get out of Newark, and that was horrible. Lucia was like beyond like over it. I think I busted out every toy that I brought. I think I busted out every toy I brought before the plane even took off. Like then they had to like de-ice the plane, and it was just like a whole mess. She finally fell asleep at the last hour, so thankfully, yeah, because she was like kicking the lady in front of a seat, and the lady turned around and was like, gave me like a nasty look. I'm like, oh my god, what do you want from me? Like I'm apologizing, like I'm like, don't do that, you know, it's hard controlling your 2-year-old. Anyway, but anyway, we're here, so we're going to get our luggage, and then we are going to find mirrors. I have yet to take a mirrors because we usually either have my cousin pick us up or we have like private transportation, so I have not taken the bus since it was Magical Express, so looking forward to trying this out. If it's good, then maybe we'll book a return flight, passage back. Otherwise, I think I might call the last guy that bought us last time. So but oh, guess what, I'm so excited because we got our room assigned to us, and we are definitely staying in the Little Mermaid suite over at Art of Animation today. I'm so excited because I've tried to book it a couple times, and then they upgrade us all the time to the Lion King suite. So even though that obviously is bigger and more room, but I think she's just gonna love it. Lucia is like so into Little Mermaid right now. I just think like it's just gonna be amazing. So we just arrived. We're at the Art of Animation. We are staying for this trip. We are staying in the Art of Animation Little Mermaid rooms. I'm so excited because this has been on my bucket list forever, and every time that we've come here we either had too many people, or one time we booked this and they actually upgraded us to the Lion King. So this is actually the perfect trip for this because this trip is just me and my 2-year-old daughter Lucia. So let's do a quick room tour. Alright, so you can see there are 2 beds here. The theming is just so amazing. Look at even the the curtain rods here. I don't know if that's what, I guess they would be curtain rods. They look like little bubbles. We're actually gonna close these because it's nighttime. But yeah, the theming in this room is just amazing. So we have the thermostat over here. We have the light fixture on the bed. It looks like little bubbles. We have behind the door here, there's an octopus that has a little coat hanger, so that is very awesome, especially if you're coming with a lot of kids. You got to hang up jackets and all that. We have a little table when you walk in here. I mean, the theming is just, they did such a great job on here. So they have the under the sea lyrics. There, you can't, you know, this is just printed right onto the table. Yeah, the mirror. So we have Flounder and Sebastian. We've got a Hey Disney, which is just like basically like the Alexa, and you can turn it off if you do not want it in your room. Totally fine. So we have a nightstand with the Bible. We have some outlets here, and it looks like some more. So we have outlets here, and then we also have some outlets. Looks like an USB port right here on the nightstand. This is my crazy daughter. This is not your imagination. This is that picture is meant to be crooked on the wall, but very very cute. I just love this. So we have your fridge, which this is awesome because a lot of the hotels now are upgraded, or a lot of the mini fridges have been replaced with beverage coolers. This says beverage, calls it a beverage cooler. Okay, so maybe this is a beverage cooler. So you got to be careful with stuff like this, keeping milk, yogurt, and all that, because it does go bad. We learned that the hard way a few trips ago. We didn't know that. And then it looks like we have 3 drawers. We have an ironing board over here. There's some more outlets. It looks like. We have some extra pillow, blanket, hair dryer. We have a safe over here. This is like interesting because I guess because of the size of the room, I've never seen such a low closet before. And yeah, they don't have like an actual separate closet, and it's fine for us, me and my daughter. So I think we're gonna put just the luggage on one side of the room. This is the bathroom. So we have a toilet, garbage can. There's some more hooks here. I was waiting for this. Oh my gosh, yeah. Look at this theming. All right, so we have the shower curtain. Look. I mean, this is, the only complaint is I wish that they would have like bigger rooms for the Little Mermaid. They kind of cheaped her out here. Made her have the smallest rooms because everyone wants to stay in these. So in here, it's like decorated like her little cave that she collects all her thingamabobs. We have now they're not calling it we're now calling it the Disney Resort, not the H2O. So it looks like we're getting rid of the H2O name now. I believe that I heard somewhere that another company bought them out. So I don't know if they're just gonna, maybe Disney bought them out because everyone likes their products so much. Some more outlets. So yeah, the bathroom's actually fairly good size, believe it or not. I feel like they could have even made it smaller. For other hotel rooms that I've been in, they definitely could have made the bathroom smaller and gave like more room to the inside of the hotel. But yeah, it's super cute. Definitely great for small families or single people, if for just you and your spouse or whatever. Just very, very cute theme. Alright, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. It's been a long day, a long travel day. I'm so tired. I feel like I'm greasy, and I just realized that I forgot my face soap. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to use like the baby's maybe her baby wash or something. Might be more, I don't know, maybe that might be gentle for my face. But yeah, we're here in the Little Mermaid rooms. We're only here one night. I'm so excited. It's kind of great because this day was so exhausting, and we're only here one day. And if we were to go Rope Drop Magic Kingdom tomorrow, I think I might kill myself. So the good thing is that we have, our plans are for tomorrow to go to Animal Kingdom and then to go to Disney Springs around lunchtime. And we have a reservation at a new restaurant over there. So, then from there, we'll check into our second new resort, Pop Century. So if you're following me, we are doing, we're going to be here 6 days, 5 nights, 4 hotels. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. Just me and my toddler in tow. So this is the most craziest trip I think I've ever been on with my daughter. I've been on some crazy trips by myself, but no, this is definitely the craziest. So anyway, if you're excited to see how I fare and if I would do this again, go ahead and hit that like button, ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content. You're gonna want to see if I survive. Who it's toddler versus mother. So yeah, you're gonna want to stick around for that. Oh, and if you made it this far, leave a fish emoji. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney World. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.